Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well. I have another unboxing for you, and this one is way overdue because I bought actually both of these items. I have two unboxings for you today, one from Louis Vuitton and one from Van Cleef, and this one especially is so overdue. I bought this on New Year's Eve. I have a shopping vlog, so in case you've missed it, I'll make sure I link it above if you want to check it out. But yeah, I'm finally unboxing these two items. Also, don't forget to come and follow me on my Instagram, where you can see my new purchases, how I wear them, how I like to style them. I also show you some beauty products on my stories because I love makeup as well. So come say hello. I'd love to see you on my Instagram as well. Okay, let's get started. Alright, let's start with this orange bag from Louis Vuitton. There is only one item in here, and honestly I have been looking for this, I kid you not, for about a year. It's constantly sold out. Always sold out online, in stores. I've been on the waiting list, no one called me. It's constantly sold out, impossible to get. So at one point I actually gave up looking for this, and when I was at Selfridges, I actually think I picked this before the new year as well, so it was back in December. I went to Louis Vuitton, asked, and they were like, oh, actually we might have a few in stock. I was like, hold on, you have a few in stock? How is this possible? So I picked up the Louis Vuitton Nice Mini. So you guys know that I have the standard size, the BB. I'm going to compare them. I bring my BB, it's right here next to me. And for the longest time I've been looking for the Mini and Nano, and the Nano is even harder to get. I'm still waiting. I keep asking every time I pop into the Louis Vuitton stores. I always ask if they have the tiniest one. It's constantly sold out, but at least I found this one because I want the whole collection. I want to have the 3 sizes, and this actually will be great for traveling because of the size. It's much smaller. Actually the BB is quite big. Let me grab it so I can compare the sizes. So this is my BB. This one I've had for over a year, I would say, and I use it for my makeup. It is full. It is so heavy. It is full with makeup. I actually want to first compare the sizes. You can see there is a significant difference between both of them. I will insert some close-up footage so you can see the main differences between the sizes. Inside, I think it's the same, but the Mini doesn't have the zipper that we have on the BB. Sometimes I would store some jewelry in there, so it could be quite convenient to store jewelry when you travel. I wish they did the same with the Mini, but anyway, it doesn't have that zip. And also on the top you can see the handles are a bit different. So on the bigger size we have these gold rings, metal rings, and on the Mini it's just leather. So let me open this cutie up so you can see exactly the same. It's missing the top zipper here, but it has the same pocket at the back. You could, I guess, store some jewelry in there if you want. But yeah, this will be absolutely fantastic for traveling because this is actually too big, and I don't want to carry that much makeup when I travel, especially if I'm going on a shorter trips. So this is perfect for that. As you can see inside, I have put one of these Samorga inserts. I've spoken about the Samorga inserts for the Nice BB. Honestly, it is a game changer. If you don't have the insert inside, it is a complete mess. It's so difficult to find your makeup, especially for the bigger size. I would definitely get one of the Samorga inserts. By the way, I have a discount which I will link here in case you're interested and want to pick up an insert organizer for your Nice BB. By the way, they also sell so many, you guys know I've spoken about Samorga so many times, but they also do amazing chains that you can clip onto the handle and wear this. I've seen many people wear the Mini and the Nano sizes as a handbag. They clip one of the chains and you can use it as a top handle bag. You can add a longer chain. I have a few different chains from Samorga that I'll show you. I'll clip on and show you how they look on. I think they look so beautiful on. It definitely changes up the look, and the chains transform this vanity into a bag. So I actually really love this hack because actually Louis Vuitton sells the same vanity with a longer crossbody chain, and it is a lot more expensive. So if you can find this, I know this is hard to find, but it's not impossible. If I found it, I'm sure you can find it as well. It eventually comes back in stock online as well, but you have to be very quick because it sells out in literally seconds. So yeah, if you already have one of these, or if you buy one of these, definitely have a look at the Samorga accessories. And also inside, as you can see, it's quite tiny, but let me show you what I got. I got myself another Samorga insert for the mini size. They have organizers for any bag you can think of, any vanity size, so you can also pick the color. I picked a matching color, and to be honest, this, as I mentioned, is quite small and it won't get as messy, but the main reason I wanted to buy an organizer is to protect the inside so it doesn't get dirty, in case something spills, something leaks. These you can wash, they're so easy to clean. So let me put it in here and show you how it looks. Does it fit? This is actually the first time I'm trying it, and of course it fits like a glove. Look how nicely it matches the interior. Everything will be so organized. You can put compacts here, some lipsticks in the middle, so love that. How cute. And it also will keep the structure because it supports the corners, and yeah, love that. Love their organizers. Okay, I'm finally unboxing my new Van Cleef piece that I picked up on New Year's Eve. I couldn't believe this happened when they called me and said that they finally have this in stock. I've been waiting for a year, literally, maybe a bit less than a year, but I really wanted to finally tick this item of my wish list, my 2021 wish list. If you've watched my wishlist videos, you may know what's in here, but let me show you finally. So in here they actually gave me a little gift, and this was such a sweet gift. It was New Year's Eve, and it was such a perfect holiday gift. So inside we have one of the beautiful Van Cleef candles. Actually, I'm not sure if they sell these. I have to double check on the website if they sell these, or if this is only a gift with purchase, something that they give to clients when they purchase something. When I bought my other two Van Cleef pieces that I already have, I have two Alhambra bracelets, I actually didn't get any gifts. So this was such a lovely surprise, and the scent is so beautiful. It smells like vanilla. It's very strong vanilla scent, and it is so lovely. It is so lovely. So this was a nice surprise. Alright, so in here we have, you can probably tell what I picked up already. We have the certificates and all the booklets that they give when you purchase their jewelry pieces. Here we have it, the box, and I'm sure you can already tell what's in here because I have unboxed two of these already, and this is my third. And this, I'm not gonna lie, this was actually the first bracelet. It is a bracelet that I wanted to buy, but it was always sold out, so I ended up buying the other two colors that I have. So in here we have finally the hammered gold, yellow gold bracelet. It is so beautiful. I couldn't believe this finally came back in stock. I have been checking with my SCA messaging literally every week if the bracelet is finally in stock, because I really wanted to buy it for Christmas, but they told me this is in such a high demand. But to be honest, all the other Alhambra bracelets have been quite popular. I definitely see them more often on Instagram, on bloggers now than like a few years ago. No one was talking about Van Cleef bracelets, or at least not as much. I don't know, I feel that in 2021 everyone started buying Van Cleef bracelets and unboxing Van Cleef. I've definitely watched quite a few unboxings, so I can see why the demand has increased quite a lot, and the stock is very low in the UK, especially around the holiday season. My SCA even told me that they closed the wish list for this particular bracelet, at least here in London. I've checked in a few boutiques, and this is quite popular because it's solid gold. It won't get damaged. You guys know that some of the other precious stone bracelets You have to be a bit more careful with them because of the stones, because they might fall and shrink if you wet them. You have to be careful, especially with certain colors like the malachite stone, the green one. It's extremely delicate. It's not even recommended for everyday use, everyday wear. The blue agate that I have is also a bit more sensitive to water, so they said avoid water. I do have the black onyx, which is probably the best one to go for after the solid gold, because it is really hard wearing. My essay told me you can even shower with it, so it's fine. Can't wait to start wearing these two together. I love this solid gold because I can also wear it together with my blue agate, and it looks so nice. Such a nice summer combo, and yeah. The gold goes with everything, so I'm so happy. I love my little Alhambra bracelet collection, but if I have to rank them, I would say this is my top favorite. This is the new bracelet. The price of this, I'll make sure I link everything down below. I'm sure they have prices on the website. I can't remember how much I paid for this, but I don't think it was that expensive. I actually think it was the same price as the black onyx. I don't know why. I think the blue agate was the most expensive one, but yeah, I'll make sure I link all three of them down below if you want to check them out. So that's the new bracelet. Let me know what you think. Alright guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's Louis and Van Cleef unboxing. Which one is your favorite bracelet that I have so far? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.